new video now because sorry, I just woke up. So आज हम डिक्सी गुरुद्वारे जा रहे हैं. सो मुझे जितना पता चला है इट इज़ लाइक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट गुरुद्वाराज इन माई रीजन आई गेस. मतलब जितनी मेरी इन्फॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से पता चला है. सो अब वी गोना गो एंड एक्सप्लोर दैट एरिया. सो इट्स इन मिसिसागा. तो मेरे घर से इट्स अराउंड लाइक 1 आवर. हाँ, इतना ही दूर है. सो या लेट्स टेक यू देयर एंड देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या क्या है. एंड मेरा कज़न भी आ रहा है. सो we'll take you together. Let's go, guys. Guys, now I'm leaving from my home and we'll see you at Dixie Gurudwara. Going to take a bus now. अंदर से दिखा नहीं पाई क्योंकि they were not allowing me, but I tried my best. That's the Gurdwara in the back. Guys, I'm back home and it felt amazing. Like the place was really nice and it was worth going. Like मुझे 1 घंटा लगा यहाँ से जाने में, but it was nice. Like I would really recommend अगर आप लोग कनाडा में हैं and if you're like near Brampton और Mississauga, you should go Dixie Gurudwara. And I couldn't take like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा pictures and videos नहीं ले पाई because they weren't allowing me to. So I think जितना मैं ले सकती थी I tried my best. But like it just like it doesn't feel nice. Allow की बात भी नहीं है, just doesn't feel nice. Okay. And yeah, it was a fun day. It was a nice weekend and happy Raksha Bandhan to everyone who is in India. Hope you guys had a great one. And that's all. Keep following, sharing, subscribing. And thank you so much for giving all the